Now that we're well into 2026, it's clear that a lot of RV and camper manufacturers have finally found their footing again. The market is healthier, designs are sharper, and buyers have more reasons than ever to feel good about what they're towing. One brand that's clearly been putting in the work is Forest River. So let's take a laid-back look at what the 2026 Flagstaff Micro Lite 22FBS has to offer. The 22FBS runs a single slide with a dual-axle setup, which puts it right in the middle of the size spectrum. It's not too big, not too small, and honestly, this is what I like to call the Goldilocks zone. It feels balanced, livable, and easy to manage, and that becomes obvious the moment you step inside. Entry is all the way at the rear, and right away you're greeted by the fridge on the left side. That might seem like a small thing, but it's actually a really smart layout choice. Picture coming back from a long day outside, shoes covered in dust or mud, and all you need is a cold drink. You step in, grab it, and that's it. Only a foot or so of flooring ever gets dirty. It's basically a built-in mudroom. You'll probably want a mat here, especially since the flooring appears to be plywood. But if there's a vinyl layer on top, cleanup should be quick and painless. Straight ahead from the entry is the bathroom, tucked neatly into the rear corner. This is a proper three-piece setup with a roomy Euro-style fiberglass shower that offers solid headroom, a toilet positioned so you're not fighting the door, and a vanity with sink and faucet. For a trailer this size, it's a comfortable and well-thought-out space that couples will appreciate right away. Step out of the bathroom and the rest of the trailer opens up. The slide-out runs along the left side, the bedroom sits straight ahead, and the kitchen and entertainment area line the right wall. The galley is surprisingly well equipped, featuring a large farmhouse sink with a drain cover, usable counter space, and a 3-burner cooktop with a glass cover that doubles as a backsplash. Below that is a full oven, with a microwave mounted above, making it easy to cook real meals instead of relying on campground food. Dining is where some opinions may differ. The main eating surfaces are tied into the theater seating, so if you're entertaining friends, a portable table might be useful. There's also a narrow bar-style counter above the fireplace that works great as extra prep space, though it's a bit tight for 2 people to dine comfortably. Some folks won't mind the setup at all, especially if they eat outdoors often, while others may prefer a traditional dinette. While you're relaxing inside, the living area offers some nice touches. There's wireless charging built into the center console, large windows for airflow and views, and a TV on a swivel mount that can be repositioned almost completely around the room. If you're after a cozier vibe, you can dim the lights, turn on the electric fireplace, and enjoy a quiet evening with that warm glow filling the space. The bedroom sits at the front and can be separated from the living area with a sliding screen mounted in the ceiling. The bed is a standard 60 by 80 queen, so upgrading the mattress later is easy. Storage is plentiful, with space under the bed, cabinets around the platform and headboard, and additional overhead storage above the theater seating. Outside, there's a large pass-through storage bay at the front, an 18-foot awning, roof access for checking on your solar setup, and a 2-inch receiver ready for bikes or extra cargo. Forest River also offers an outdoor griddle setup as an option, which pairs nicely with a side-mounted table for campsite cooking. You get basic off-grid features like solar, an inverter, and batteries, with upgrade options available if you want to push further off the grid. Construction includes lightweight composite walls on an aluminum frame, Dexter Torflex axles, TPMS, Goodyear endurance tires, and an enclosed heated underbelly. One standout feature is road mode access. Even with the slide pulled in, you can still use the kitchen, bathroom, fridge, and bed without feeling boxed in. That's a huge plus for travel days and quick stops. While this trailer really shines as a couple's rig, Forest River does give you the option to swap the theater seating for a modular couch, increasing sleeping capacity to 4. All things considered, the Flagstaff Micro Lite 22FBS is well worth a look if you're shopping in this segment. Just be prepared for pricing around the mid-$30,000 range, and definitely try to see one in person before making a final decision.